Hey, welcome back. This is a different episode. We're going to try something new. I know I mentioned it at the very beginning and I haven't done it, but we're going to do a review. That's right, we're going to do a review. And the first review is the Campbell's Soup Grilled Cheese and Tomato Soup. It's a limited edition. It says so. It's right here. Limited edition. Anyway, so it's grilled cheese and tomato soup. It's cheese and tomato soup, but it's by Campbell's. And it's condensed. So it does say condensed. All right, so what does that mean? It means we're going to either add water or milk. It's your preference. Talked to some of my Army buddies, and they said, yeah, that their parents or their moms used to do it. Make it for them, the tomato soup, but they would add like sour cream. And I was like, well, that's a great idea. That's a fantastic idea. So here it is, again, the Campbell's limited edition grilled cheese and tomato soup. Let's go ahead and make it. Let's give you a review. Okay, so as we get ready to do this, we're going to go ahead and read the directions and or the instructions or whatever you want to call them. And basically, we can do it one of two ways. Right off the bat, it says 1 can of soup, 1 can of water. So you empty out this, you drop in the water, give it a little stir to get all that extra stuff out of there you were not able to get out. Get that taken care of, and you can put it in a microwave about 2.5 to 3 minutes, or you can do it on the stovetop, and that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do it on the stovetop, the old-fashioned way. And it says do not boil, so don't let it get to the boil. Now, you have another preference. You can use milk, whole milk. You can use whole milk. It's okay, really, it truly is. You can use whole milk. However, the instructions do say for you to use, if you're going to use the whole milk, only the stovetop method. It's the best one because again, it won't cook it. It won't cook the milk. So when you're here, because you're bringing everything up to temperature. So really, it's up to you. We're going to go ahead and do the milk method. We're going to go ahead and 1 can of soup, 1 can of milk, make it a little thicker, a little richer, and of course a little pepper at the end. But hey, that's your preference. It's mine too. Alrighty. So let's go ahead and break this down. 2 steps. Let's make it happen. Go. Alrighty. So let's go ahead and open up our can of soup. We can use the little thing here. I don't know if you can see it in there. You can kind of help lift it. But see, it's not thin enough down here to get underneath it. And hey, look what it did. You know, as soon as I say something, it works. All right, so then we do this, and let's get that out of the way. And whoa. First look, looks like tomato soup, right? Tomato soup. Okay. Alrighty. Alrighty, next, so we'll put this back here. Go ahead and take this off, and we'll go ahead and drop in. Oh, look at that. It just jumps right in there, no problem. And we got a little bit, but that's okay, remember. So if you decide to do the 1 can of water, again, give it a little stir. But what I'm going to do is do a little bit, about halfway up of milk, give it a stir, and then we'll finish it up with the rest of the milk, and then we'll go from there. So again, mix soup and 1 can of water. We're going to do the milk. All right, let's go ahead and open up our. Oops. Let's go ahead and open it up. All right. Halfway up, there's stir in here, get all this stuff off the sides. You see the milk's already starting to turn. Whoa, a little too much. All right, let's top it off. And there we go. All right, let's get it in here. And we got most of it. I'm just going to give it a little stir to get things mixed up. Alright, let's move it over to the stove. Alright, so there it is. We've got it on low to medium. We got it about medium just to get it up to temperature, this burner. And again, you know your stove a little bit better than I do. So you know which burners take just a little bit longer to set up. So we'll do that. And the ingredients say heat over low heat, stirring frequently, do not boil. So we'll go ahead and do that here. basically what we want is these chunks of tomato, the tomato soup part, to kind of break down. Oh, it's already smelling so good. Oops. It's done. It's broken down and it's delicious and it's hot. Let's go ahead and move it over to the bowl. And let's move it over to the bowl. There we go. There we go. All right, let's go ahead. It's a big enough bowl. Oh, look at that. There we go. Oh, just got it right before. Oh, wow. Uh-oh. I love when that always happens. Now, we were stirring frequently, but it was starting to just start to boil, so we got it just in time. All right, let's do the taste test. Before we continue, I'm making a couple of sandwiches because, hey, you can't just have tomato soup without some sandwiches. The grilled cheese, maybe, maybe not. You'll need to find out. But hey, it smells good, looks great, looks more cheesy than it does tomatoey, which is okay, I guess, because the milk helped to tone down that red. But I was taking some taste samples as I was moving along, just to, you know, get the flavor. All right, it's well, I'll tell you in a minute. But hey, but before I go any further, hey, oops, over here, veterans. There you go. Sorry about that. Don't forget, make the call. It's there for you. The Veteran Crisis Line. You can call them. You know, dial on your phone, hit the send. You know, hit the dial button, and then press the 1 when the automated attendant. You can go to the website, the VeteranCrisisLine.net website. You can chat with them there. And of course, as always, you can text. So hey, don't hesitate. All that information is right here, ready for you to make the call. So don't hesitate making the call. All right, everyone, let's go ahead and dive into the taste test, and then we'll go from there. All right, there it is. There's the bowl of soup. Yes, the Campbell's limited edition. Campbell's limited edition grilled cheese and tomato soup. All righty, where did I find? I found this on Walmart. I found it at Walmart.com, and you go to your website. It's a limited time, so if you can get a hold of this, whoop, make sure you get it. Oh, tomato soupy, cheesy. It is added creamy to the because of the milk. Yeah, I know. Outside, I don't know, you can't see the window, but outside that window, it is 96 degrees right now. But hey, that soup is tasty in here. So again, highly recommended. If you can find it, grab it. It is, where's my can here? I know I have it here someplace. There we go. And again, because I did get a 6-pack of these bad boys. There it is. Grilled cheese and tomato soup. It's condensed. Campbell's. Make it. Get it. Grab it. Again, there is a Best Buy date. 2025. So I just got this. I got this in, I can't quite read what it says because it's all, you know, if you see the underneath, it's all these little bumps. Well, the writing goes across the little bumps. So I can't quite tell, but I'll put it in the show notes. So again, you can order it. It comes in a box of 6. They're loose. They're going to be loose in that box, so be careful. And because they are loose, they may get a little damaged in shipping. So be careful. All right, but I did, I used the most dented can. That was the first one because I knew I was going to do this. So I had, let me find the most dented can, and I'm going to use the least dented can as the prop. Anyway, Campbell's condensed Campbell's limited edition grilled cheese and tomato soup. 10 out of 10 if you're a tomato soup lover, and if you really like grilled cheese with tomato soup. It doesn't take away, it doesn't add to. You still need that grilled cheese off to the side, but hey, it is a good it's a good deal. So check it out. Anyway, listen, thanks for watching. It's my first review. Like I said, I like it. Ships. You can order it online. If you find it at your local store, get it. But hey, if you didn't know this, they also have Campbell's cream of jalapeno. We'll talk about that one at a different episode. In the meantime, I'm Dave Guerra, and this Vet Cooks.